Today's recipe is how to cook king prawns in garlic butter. In most situations, probably you're gonna get them frozen, which is fine. If they are good quality, no issues here. Now, before you start frying, make sure that they are as dry as possible, and that's why I put them here into a sieve. This way, all the excess water will go to the bottom. Otherwise, it will turn into some sort of stew when you fry them. Now, I want to season my prawns and get some oil in there. So, I've got here a good pinch of salt, a good pinch of freshly grounded black pepper, and I'm gonna get in 2 tablespoons of veg oil. And when it comes to veg oil, try to choose something that's resistant to high temperatures because I wanna sear those prawns before we start doing anything else. Set the pan on high heat, and when the pan is hot enough, we're gonna get in the prawns. 1 minute on each side should do the job. As soon as they start turning red, you can flip them, and then another minute on the other side and remove them from the heat. Now, using the same pan, put it back on the heat and reduce the heat to medium. And I've got here about 15 to 20 grams of butter straight in. Also 1 clove of garlic or 2 cloves of garlic, depending on how much garlic you can take. Grate it straight into the pan. Now we are cooking the butter and the garlic because also the butter needs a bit of cooking in order to get that nutty flavor. As soon as you see your butter and the garlic getting a golden color, then is when you know it's ready. And we're gonna go back in with the prawns. When you get in the prawns, I've got here something else to add. A pinch of oregano, dry oregano, and also a pinch of chili flakes. These are going straight in. Now we wanna make sure that the prawns absorb that garlic flavor. So we're gonna continue cooking these on low heat for another minute or 2. Now turn off the heat, and to finish your dish, you can add some chives or some fresh parsley. And this is pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this simple recipe. It's nothing complicated here. That's what we're doing on this channel. So I'm sure you'll see many more simple recipes coming up.